Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Privacy Prodigy. गोपनीयतेचा विलक्षण. Today, we are diving deep into DPDPA 2025 Compliance Explained, where we uncover the latest trends in cybersecurity awareness, data privacy, and protections insights simplified for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Privacy Prodigy, your trusted source for practical insights on data privacy and data protection and compliance. I'm Anil Patil, and today we are talking about a critical topic for every organization in today's environment, evolving with the threat landscape. How to keep your data protection strategies ahead as cyber threats grow more sophisticated and privacy regulations continue to evolve. Your data protection strategies can't remain static. They need to adapt. And today I will show you exactly how. Section first, conduct a regular data audits and mapping. First, conduct regular data audits and mapping. Periodically assess what personal data you collect, where it's stored, who has access, and how it is used. This comprehensive understanding is the backbone of a compliance and a risk management. It allows you to spot gaps before they become liabilities. Section 2. Stay informed on regulatory changes. Next, stay informed on regulatory changes. Privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, and India's DPDPA continue to evolve, and new regulations are emerging worldwide. Keep your policies and practices updated on your are always ahead of compliance requirements. Section 3. I implement a holistic framework. Step 3 is to implement a holistic data protection framework. This means developing a unified strategy that integrates data governance, privacy, protection, and security across all departments. It fosters a culture of accountability, realistic, and trust throughout your organization. Section 4. Automated compliance and monitoring. Don't underestimate the power of a technology. Use tools that automate data governance, monitor access, and detect anomalies. Automation not only improves efficiency but also significantly reduces the risk of the human errors. Enhance employee training and awareness. Remember, even the best systems can fail without an informed team. Regularly reduces your staff on data protection policies, emerging threats and secure data handling practices, and aware workforce is one of the strongest lines of defense against breaches. Implementing a zero trust security architecture. This model requires verification for every access request, regardless of whether it comes from inside or outside your network. It drastically minimizes the risk of unauthorized data exposure. Zero trust security models also consider Section 7 align data protection with business goals. And finally, align your data protection efforts with overall business objectives. When your security measures support and enhance your organization performance, it's easier to secure buy-in across all levels and ensure a lasting success. Summary. To sum up, staying ahead of the threat landscape means continuously evolving your strategies from conducting audits to adopting zero trust models and integrating data protection into your business goals. Each steps builds a stronger, more detailed resilient organization. A YouTube video title Zero Trust Architecture Essential Guide to Data Protection Against Evolving Cyber Threats. YouTube video link this. If you found this a roadmap helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss practical insights on the data privacy, data protection, cybersecurity awareness, and compliance and GDPR. Here, questions or want to cover a specific topic in depth, drop a comment below. I had love to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay privacy smart. Section 1. Ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. First, every robust data protection strategy starts with the CIA, tried, not the agency, but three critical principles. First, confidentiality, keeping data safe from unauthorized access, integrity, ensuring data remains accurate and contents and consistent throughout its life cycle. Availability, making sure that data is accessible to authorized users whenever it's needed. Together, these form the foundation of secure information management. Section 2. Implement data lifecycle management. Next, organization must manage the entire data lifecycle. This means overseeing data from the uh, moment it's created to when it's securely disposed of, including proper classification, storage, uses, archiving, and eventual deletion. Managing each stage appropriately reduces risk and ensures compliance. Section 3. Establish a data risk management. A strong strategy also includes a data risk management. This involves identifying, accessing, and mitigating risk tied to data breaches, losses, or unauthorized access using clear policies, documented procedures, and technical security measures makes this process uh, systematic and effective. Section 4. Develop backup and recovery plans. Imagine losing critical data due to a cyber attack or system failure. That is why it is vital to create and maintain data backups along with tested recovery procedures. This ensures your business can quickly bounce back, minimizing downtime and data loss. Section 5. Enforce access management controls. Another core objectives is access management. Implement role-based access controls RBAC and multi-factor authentication MFA. So only the right people can access sensitive data. This greatly reduces the risk of insider threats and credential-based attacks. Section 6. Ensure regulatory compliance. Of course, no data protecting strategy is complete without compliance. Align your practices with global regulations and standards like GDPR, IPA, and ISO ISC 27701. This is not just about avoiding fines, it is built a trust with customers, partners, and us regulators. Section 7. Conduct continuous monitoring and auditing. Data protection is not a set, eat it, forget it exercise. Continuously monitoring data, activities, and perform regular audits. This helps detect anomalies, maintain compliance, and identify areas where your security postures can improve. Section 8. Promote employee training and awareness. And finally, remember that people play a huge role in protecting data. Regularly train employee on data protection policies, emerging threats and best practices. A well-informed workforce significantly lowers the risk of the human errors leading to security incidents. Summary. So, to sum it up, a strong data protection strategy views together confidentiality and lifecycle management, risk mitigation, recovery planning, access controls, compliance, continuous monitoring, and just as importantly, employee awareness. If you are between the ages of 45 and 54, we value your input. We are exploring the idea of developing a dedicated series tailored to your needs, ensuring you are feel addressed, included, and more engaged with our content. If you found this video helpful, please give your thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you will never miss future content on privacy, security, data protection, and compliance. Have a question or want me to break down any of these points in more details? Drop a continuous below. I had love to help. Thanks for watching and always stay privacy smart. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Privacy Prodigy, your trusted source for practical data privacy and data protection, cybersecurity awareness, and compliance insights. I am Anil Patil, and today we are breaking down a topic that is fundamental for every organization security strategy, the different types of the data protection you need to know. Data protection is not one size fits all. It is a multi-layered approach, and understanding these layers will help you safeguard your business more effectively. Section first, physical data protection. Let us start with the basics. Physical start data protection. This focuses on securing the actual environments where your data is stored. Think surveillance cameras which detect unauthorized access, biometric access controls like a fingerprint or retina scans for secure entry, locked data centers, and keeping backup drives in a secure, restricted areas. It's about ensuring your data infrastructure is physically protected from introduced or environmental hazards. Section 2. Administrative data protection. Next up is administrative data protection, the backbone of the data governance. This involves the policies, procedures, and rules that dictate how data is handled in your organization. Data access governs define who can access what, employee training and awareness programs Make sure your team understands their role in protecting data, solid data, handling protocols, and comprehensive compliance documentation, whether for GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO standards. Keep your operations aligned with legal obligations. Section 3, technical data protection. Now let us get into technical data protection, which leverages the software and technology to secure data. Encryption scrambles data, ensuring only authorized parties can read it. Firewalls and antivirus systems block unauthorized access and neutralize threats. Access controls and multi-factor authentication (MFA) limit who can view or edit a sensitive information, and a data masking hides a sensitive data when used in a non-secure environments. These tools build a strong technical barriers around your information. Section 4, Operational Data Protection. Then we have Operational Data Protection, which covers today practices and keep your data secure using secure file transfer protocols like SFTP or HTTPS, performing regular data backups and having a solid disaster recovery plan on a place. Staying on top of the patch management and software updates to fix vulnerabilities, and following data minimization practices to collect only what's necessary. Section 5, Cloud Data Protection. Finally, there is cloud data protection, which focuses on securing its data stored or processed in a cloud environments. These includes cloud encryption and tokenization to protect data at rest and in transit, secure APIs and cloud access controls, prevent unauthorized interaction with your cloud resources, and maintaining backup and redundancy within a cloud infrastructure. Ensure summary. So, to wrap up, effective data protection is not just about a one tool policy, it's a layered approach combining physical security, administrative policies, technical safeguards, operational best practices, and cloud security. By understanding and implementing all these types of the data protection, you can build a truly resilient strategy that safeguards your data and strengthens a stakeholder trust. If you found this video helpful, please give your thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more insights into data privacy and data protection, cybersecurity awareness, and compliance. Have a questions or want me to cover one of these areas in this more detail? Drop a comment below section. I had love to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay privacy smart. Question first: why is it important for BFSI organizations to regularly update their data protection strategies? Answer: in the BFSI sector, data is one of the most valuable assets, from customer financial details to transactions histories. Cyber threats, however, evolve rapidly. Attackers continuously find new ways to exploit vulnerabilities, Regularly updating data protection strategies helps organizations stay resilient against emerging risks such as phishing, ransomware, and insider threats. Moreover, the compliance requirements like GDPR, dpia 2025, and RBI cybersecurity guidelines are constantly evolving. Keeping policies updated ensures legal compliance, minimize financial penalties, and maintain customer trust. A key differentiator in a financial industries where data integrity is a non-negotiable. Question first: why should BFSI organizations regularly update their data protection strategies? Answer: in the finance, data is not just information; it's a trust, a reputation, and a revenue. But the cyber threats evolve faster than ever. Attackers are constantly innovating, and so must you. Regularly updating your strategy helps protest against new attack patterns, comply with the changing regulations like GDPR, DPDPA 2025, and RBI cybersecurity guidelines, and maintain customer confidence. Remember, outdated security is like leaving your want the door open. Question 2: how do regular data audits and data mapping strengthens data protection in a BFSI organization? Answer: regular data audits help financial organizations maintain a clear picture of the data they hold, where it resides, how it flows across systems, and who access it. Data mapping ensure transparency by identifying data touch points from collection to deletion. This visibility allows organization to detect unnecessary data retention, potential leakage points, and compliance gaps. For example, during audits, a bank might discover that customer KYC data is stored in encrypted form on a legacy server, enabling timely remediation. Regular audits not only strengthen compliance but also create a proactive security posture that prevents the data misuse or unauthorized access. Question 2: how do regular data audits and mapping help strengthen protection? Explanation: think of data audits as your organization's health checkups. They reveal where your data lives, how it flows, and who is accessing it. Data mapping adds visibility, identifying every touch point from data collection to deletion. For example, a bank might discover encrypted KYC data on an old server during an audit. Catching that early helps prevent leaks, improve compliance, and reduce risk exposure. Question 3: what role does automation play in modernizing data protection strategies for BFSI organization? Answer: automation is transferring how BFSI companies manage compliance and risk. Automated tools can monitor user access in real time, flag unusual, and even respond to threats instantly. For instance, a compliance automation platform can alert the data protection officers when a sensitive customer data is accessed outside approved hours. Automation minimizes human error, one of the leading cause of data breaches. While improving efficiency and scalability, it also simplifies the regulatory reporting, enabling BFSI organizations to maintain continuous compliance with a minimal manual intervention. Question 3. What role does automation play in a modern BFSI data production? Explanation. Automation is a game changer with automated monitoring tools. You can track data access in a real time, detect anomalies instantly, and even auto respond to incidents. Imagine receiving an alert when a staff member accesses sensitive client data after hours. Automation helps you act before damage occurs. It reduces human error, saves time, and ensures continuous compliance, something manual reviews can't match. Question 4. Why is employee awareness and training a crucial part of the data protection in a financial organization? Answer. BFSI organization employees are the first line of defense against data breaches. In BFSI organizations, where staff handle the sensitive financial and personal data daily, one careless click on a phishing link can cause a serious incident. A regular training program build awareness about threats like social engineering, insider risk, and secure data handling practices. By fostering a culture of accountability and vigilance, employees become a proactive defenses of data integrity. Continuous education through workshops, uh, phishing simulations, and policy refreshers ensure that every staff member understands their role in protecting customer information and organizational reputation. Question 4. Why are employee training and awareness critical? Explanation. Technology alone can't secure your organization. People can. Employees are your first line of defense. Training them regularly on privacy policies, phishing risk, and data handling best practices turns potential weak spots into strengths. A well trained workforce does not just follow policy, they protect it. And in a BFSI organization, every employee's vigilance matters. Question 5. How can BFSI organizations align their data protection strategies with overall business goals? Answer. Data protection should not be seen as a compliance checkbox. It is a business enabler, and the aligning with data protection with organizational objectives ensures that security efforts support growth and innovation. For example, implementing strong encryption and access control mechanism can enhance customer confidence, leading to better adoption of digital banking services. Similarly, a zero trust architecture not only safeguards data but also streamlines identity management across platforms. When a production strategy complement business goals, BFSI organization achieve a dual benefit. They maintain compliance and simultaneously enhance operational performance and customer loyalty. Question 5. How can a data production align with a business goals? Explanation. A data production should not be viewed as a compliance cost. It is a business asset. When you align privacy with your strategic goals, security becomes a growth driver. Implementing zero trust architecture or encryption not only prevents breaches but also builds a customer trust, driving digital adoption and brand credibility. Protecting data ultimately protects your business future. Conclusions. A turning strategy into sustained security in an age where data is both a vital asset and a prime target. Building a robust data protection strategy is not a luxury, it is a necessity. As this article outlined, effective data protection is rooted in clear objectives, including a data classification, the lifecycle management, access control, encryption, backup planning, and employee training. Yet, strategy alone is not enough. Success lies in a continuous execution and evolution. A business must remain vigilant by embracing ongoing monitoring, conducting regular audits, and staying aligned with an ever-changing regulatory landscape. From GDPR to HIPAA and beyond, compliance is not just one-time checkbox. It is a commitment to integrity and trust. Above all, organizations that treat data protection as a core business function, not just an IT task, will not only avoid breaches and fines, but also earn the confidence of customers, partners, and regulators alike. With the right tools, training, and mindset, any business can transfer its data production strategy from a static plan into a dynamic shield of resilience and trust. Thank you. Data protection is a key to business growth and success. Thanks for watching. Stay private, stay safe, stay secure. Only with privacy Prodigy guy. गोपनीयतेचा विलक्षण. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity awareness, data privacy, and protection insights.